welcome back to another video. We are stuck in traffic.
We've been sitting still for like a half hour.
Yeah.
Not moving.
So we're pretty much on our month-long vacation now. Gonna go do whatever we want to go do, and 34 miles into it, we are stuck.
Yeah.
Thanks, Seattle and all of y'all, for shutting down the highways pretty much to make it impossible to get to the 90.
Hey, you know, at least we have everything we need.
Yep.
We have food, we have water, we have a bathroom.
Yep.
We're downloading movies right now.
Yep, we've got a whiny puppy. We got a whiny puppy. Yeah. So if you guys are new here, I'm Whitney.
I'm Amanda.
Come here. Come here. Come here. And this is Chancey. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we live in our van full time as we work and travel, but we are going to take a month off and just go do a lot of cool stuff other than get stuck in traffic.
I'm sure it's going to happen again at some point.
Yep. So we're going to see how far we can drive today, especially after this. It doesn't, sunset doesn't happen until like 9:10 up here. So we still have a while if we want to keep driving, but we'll see how this goes. But we are just in a hot mess of traffic right now, and we're just want to go. We just all want to go. Mwah.
Oh no.
Yep. So let's deal with this fun stuff. All right, first stop. We're not going to try to do this a lot, but I've been wanting to try the Subway's new chicken salad, which is not new, by the way. Even the worker didn't know that. But back in my younger days, they had chicken salad a long time ago. And I absolutely was my favorite. So I got that. I wanted to see what that was like.
Hopefully it's as good as you remember.
I hope so. You never know. They did get rid of spicy mayo, or I'm sorry, spicy mustard. So I got a garlic aioli, but just on the Italian herb and cheese one. Let's see. And then Amanda got the garlic roast beef.
Yeah, I did not get chicken salad.
I will say this is the first time I've ever gotten a toasted sandwich from Subway. I'm gonna get there at some point.
I know, it's so hard.
I still don't taste anything.
Oh, that's good. My roast beef is good. The garlic aioli is yummy.
To be quite honest, I couldn't tell you if I remembered what it tastes like or not.
Was it good?
Because it's been so long. Hold on, I got a bite back here.
Okay.
I would say it's pretty good. Because it's blanter, in my sense, because it doesn't have like walnuts or grapes and all that other stuff, which is what I like personally. The chicken salad that's actually at Jersey Mike's too, because everybody just launched a whole bunch of chicken salads, which is not common.
It's a thing right now.
Yeah. This is actually really good, and Jersey Mike's is really good. My all-time favorite was Penn Station for the longest time, but they changed their whole recipe the last time that I was back in Cincinnati with Mom, probably back in 2020 or 2021. It was one of the 2 years. Went back there and they changed the whole thing. Now I don't like it. So, but if you're at Subway, I'll let you know if I get sick later. Who knows? We have certain family members that have gotten sick off of Subway before.
It happens everywhere.
Yeah.
You know?
So, but it's been a long time since either one of us have had Subway.
It's been a very long time.
Yeah.
The bread's as good as I remember.
Yeah, it is. It's actually pretty good toasted. So we are going to eat this and we're going to head back on the road over to Spokane. All right, you guys saw on the way in, we found some dispersed camping that is free. It is super busy.
Yeah.
Because it's 8 o'clock on a Saturday night. But this is the view. We are right outside of a river again in Montana. Like, you can't get better than that, but the mosquitoes.
I mean, yeah, water, bugs, mosquitoes, makes sense.
Yeah, I kind of wasn't ready for that. So we're going to let our little thermocell thing do its thing. And then hopefully cook some dinner. And then honestly, we're probably just going to pass out because I've been doing like 7-ish hours of driving, I want to say.
I don't even know how long we've been driving for today.
And I think we have service, surprisingly. I have 2 bars
Barely.
of LTE. So not too bad on reception wise, but like this place, so far it's really quiet. We met our neighbor and we just pretty much needed a place to sleep essentially because we are going to try to do this trip as cheap as possible. We have a ton of food. There's no doubt about it.
So much food.
So we're not worried about that. We just need places to sleep. And this one is on our way to Glacier. So why not? We thought we weren't going to be able to find a place, but we found at least one good place and we're just going to call it as it is. And we have to cook inside. We cook inside.
Yeah.
Yep.
Make it work.
Yep. All right. For dinner tonight, we went and made a Costco run, which I don't know if it was best ideal.
Probably not.
We got pork dan dan noodles that we need to eat up. And they have pork, mushrooms, bok choy, peppers, water chestnuts, and a crisp chili sauce. So hopefully it's good. We're going to find out how to warm it up pretty much. So it has the instructions on here. We've got a skillet and we probably just need a little bit of water. And this is going to be tonight's easy dinner since it's already now 8:30. So we'll see how this goes because we're tired and we're hungry and it's still bright as AF out here.
It's going to be light forever.
Yeah, it is.
I know.
All right, this whole thing is the sauce with all the vegetables in it. Oh, looks like dog food when it comes out.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. It looks good.
It looks like a curry.
It looks like curry, yes.
Yeah,
I
that's
agree.
for sure. It looks like a curry.
Boil that, and then we'll add some noodles.
Sounds good. Added the noodles now after it boiled, so now we just have to let them do their thing.
Yep, cook for about 5 minutes and keep stirring it so they don't clump.
Yep. And it's smelling more like a curry than it is actually dan dan noodles.
Yeah, because we don't put the other vegetables and stuff in dan dan noodles.
We don't do it. The place that we go to, yeah, that's back down home. If you guys ever go to Phoenix, go to Happy Bowels, and it's the best one. It's in Mesa.
It's so good.
Right where H Mart is.
I don't think we're gonna like it with the veggies in it.
Yeah.
I'm excited
We'll
to
see.
try it.
Yeah, I hope it's just not soupy. So we're just gonna we'll reduce it down some and see what happens.
The noodles are already absorbing some sauce. So
Yeah.
I think we should be good.
Yeah, the mosquitoes are still having their dinner on us though.
It's a lot better, but still
'cause
not great.
That thing's not working out great, but this one is the best road champ dog ever, huh? Yeah, you just stop following me every time I talk to you. Thank you.
She's like, no, goodbye.
Yep, somebody's happy to be out. They've been just sleeping the whole time, but she's been so good. Yes. Yeah. Kind of an update on Chansey, by the way. Since our last updates with her and her little joint thing, she's been great with that. We did have to get her back into the vet though because she did acquire another bumpy. And we always have to make sure that's not cancer. So it's under her belly where her breast is. We got it tested and it was benign.
Yeah, just a fatty lipoma, which is her 3rd or 4th one now.
Yeah, so especially in this pitty breed, so always get your pups checked because it can catch the cancer early if it is cancer. Chansey, are you hungry? Do you want dinner? Are you ready to eat? Are you Oklahoma? Are you orangutans? Are you okay? Chansey, okay. Okay.
She's
There
like,
we
I'm
go.
not sure.
I know, right? Which one?
I'll just take this
Okay.
one 'cause it's closer.
All right, this is what dinner looks like. And we're gonna see how it tastes.
Yeah.
And we really don't feel like pulling our chair out or doing anything because we're just gonna leave in the morning.
I know.
So, yeah. I was like, yeah, you know I'm fat, right?
I'm scooting.
Jesus. Just get it first. It's hot. That's not bad.
I like the mushroom.
That's good. The minced pork is not bad.
No,
It definitely doesn't taste like dan dan noodles, sorry.
not like what you were used to, but I'll eat this definitely.
Yeah, this will be a good dinner.
I like I said, I like the veggies. I
Yeah.
thought we would.
Yeah, not bad at all with that.
It's just really hot.
Oh, hot. Hot in my mouth. Oh, oh. Hot. Well, it's officially 8:50. Back home at the current moment, which is Washington, it's 7:50. So we're going to lose an hour almost every time we travel, roughly. So this will be fun. We're just going to call this trip of chaos because we really don't know what's going to happen after New York.
No, I mean we don't even have a full plan on where we're stopping along the way to New York,
Nope.
other than here.
Yeah.
And we just had a rough estimate in this general area.
Yeah. And the thing is, too, for somebody like me, who I wouldn't say like I'm a control freak, but I like to have things planned and I like to know where we're going.
You're definitely a planner.
I'm a planner. I'm like type A, but I'm not. It's weird. But
Yeah.
I will say that this is very much out of my comfort zone. I am very much not used to this. I am very much don't know what to do with this.
I don't know. You're doing really good with it so far.
Yeah, I mean, I found this kind of, we planned it. We planned on doing a rest stop, but then it was still light out and we could go further. So we decided to go further.
We didn't really like the rest stop.
Yeah, so we were like, let's go actually like out and camp. So this is where we found the dispersed camping and we even lucked out further than what I thought we were.
I know.
So, I mean, it's not bad. We've got neighbors on each side, but so far everybody's pretty quiet. I don't think it's really going to cause a ruckus other than maybe the train that's on the bridge over there.
We've heard it twice since we've been here. Yeah. It hasn't been that long, but. Oh, jeez. Okay.
So this
Ate a
is,
bug.
yep. So this is going to be a very much uncomfortable trip for myself. So we have ideas of what we want to do. We just don't know when, how, and why, and where. So
Oh, where? Yes.
where, yes,
When
but
and how?
yeah. Oh, there's something running up there
Up where?
in the tree line.
Like way up there.
Yeah.
Not human? Oh no, it's a chipmunk or a squirrel.
Okay.
We
are
just
definitely
go up and over a log.
okay. We are definitely in bear country, so we're gonna pay attention to that.
No, it was very small.
Oh, sound good.
Not bear-like.
We're gonna eat and then head in for the night. So we don't have any firewood because we didn't plan this, and we don't have room for it anyway. So that's definitely one of those things that hopefully we'll be able to have a campfire tomorrow because we're going to be in the area of Glacier where we want to be. So we have to stop at REI and get Chancey a life jacket. So
Yeah, a different one.
a different one, but hopefully we'll be able to have a fire tomorrow night because it'll be a little bit earlier of a day because I've got school to do too.
I know. Can I have water?
Is it hot?
No, just my mouth is warm. It's not spicy. Okay. Thank you.
Marriage, all about compromise, guys.
I know. We do that well.
We do that well. Went down by the river, had a nice little walk. In the van now. The fan is on. It's about 74 in the van right now. It's going to get cooler tonight though.
It's nice though.
Yeah.
It feels really good.
So we are going to head to bed and see you in the morning.